Welcome to Novena Regency, a freehold mixed development right in the heart of District 11. Located along Thompson Road, you're surrounded by amenities, eateries, and medical hubs. Now, let's take a step-by-step walk to Novena MRT. It's just 3 minutes away. You'll enjoy a fully sheltered walk, rain or shine, perfect for daily commuters. Within a short walk, you'll also find Velocity at Novena Square, Square 2, and United Square, offering endless retail and dining options. Novena MRT links you directly to Orchard and 2 stops in Raffles Place in under 15 minutes. It's the perfect spot for city living and convenience. Welcome to Novena Regency, a freehold gem located right in the heart of District 11. Welcome to your serene oasis. Right on the ground floor where your private sanctuary opens, directly to the sparkling pool. Step into your spacious private enclosed space perfect for morning coffees or evening gatherings with direct access to the pool just steps away. The open plan living and dining area is bright and inviting, with seamless flow to the outdoors blending indoor comfort with outdoor leisure. Functionality meets design in a sleek kitchenette, while the well-appointed bathroom is conveniently located between the 2 cozy bedrooms, ideal for individuals or small families. Retreat to the tranquil master bedroom or make use of the versatile second bedroom, each featuring built-in wardrobes for smart storage. Whether it's a quiet evening or a relaxing weekend by the pool, this ground floor home offers resort-style living right at your doorstep. Another exclusive production from OrangeTee AAG.